My name is Donna Gilger. We noticed cracks in the walls in the master bedroom, and in some of the hallways we saw cracks, and we also noticed that the shower in the master bathroom wasn't draining toward the middle like it was supposed to be, so we thought maybe that had something to do with things shifting, and that has improved some. I've seen their signs up all over this area, and then my next door neighbor had Barrett Foundation do the foundation work on her house, and she said they were fabulous. So they were fabulous. They scheduled the appointment, and Derek came out and kind of went over the house and went under the house and told us what he thought we would need and did a diagram, and it was great. They were great. They were very respectful of our property, and they cleaned up, and every day they cleaned up if they had any debris in the yard and stuff. So I thought they were great. Yeah, I felt like they were family when they left. I was kind of sad when they left. I think they were terrific. I mean, they answered any questions we had. They answered. The people, like I said, the guys that worked here, all of them were very respectful and nice and easy to have working in my house.